Okay, welcome. As you can see, we're running Netbeans 11.2, and if you head over here and you click on this by mistake and you click on this X by mistake, these menus will literally disappear. So what you need to do to recover them, just head over to View, Toolbars, and then you click on Custom. And then here you'll see the menus under Window. You select these ones under Window, and then you head over to Palette. You drag and you drop it over the top, and then you head over to properties, drag to the top, and as you can click on these two, you'll see that these menus are now recovered. And if you don't like these here anymore, you can just remove them and they are gone, just like that. That's how you do it. And also you may be interested in another set of property which one finds under system. If you can select, this one is a different one from the one we seen under window, and if you click at this, you see that it just pops up this whole window in your face, and that's that. You would also find that the shortcuts for to ensure that you get these menus, Control Shift 7 will give you the properties, while Control Shift 8 will give you the palette. Thank you very much.